In this video, we are going to see that if you come across this error code inet e resource not found in Microsoft Edge, here is how we can easily resolve it. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. So first of all, what we need to do is just go to the start menu and right here, control panel, open that up. And from here, we want to head over to network and sharing center. So let's suppose that it is sorted by category. All you have to do is just turn it to large icons, and then you can see this option, network and sharing center. Click on that. And then whatever internet connection you see, what is your main connection, click on that. You click on properties after that. And from here, we choose IPv version 4 protocol. Click on the properties. We will keep obtain an IP address automatically to automatic. We will not set it to manual until your IT guy suggests it to. And in the server, we will use the default Google DNS server. That should solve the problem. So just click on the second toggle button, which is use the following DNS server address. And right here, 8, press the forward button, 8, 8, and 8. And then on the second line, we will write 8, 8, 4, and 4. Click OK. Click close. It might disconnect and reconnect it again. You might also need to restart your computer to make it effective. And please also note that if you're after changing your internet is causing issue or you get some other problems, you can always click on this. Go to the properties and click on the version 4. You click on the properties and simply switch it to automatically back. Click OK to make that effective. And that is all we have to do. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.